Yes. Well, there's no setback here. The court, in its wisdom, decided that the subject of our application, i.e. the live streaming and open telecast, is not in any way connected with the merits of our petition. The petition is separate, it's ongoing. The application did not succeed to have the televised version of the proceedings relayed to the entire world. And as far as we are concerned, we are now set for hearing. Tomorrow, we'll be here by God's grace for a pre-hearing report that will determine the progress of the petition and the time the petition will be heard and concluded. Thank you very much. Well, our position, as far as this is concerned, is that the issue of consolidation is one that is compelled by statute, and we have no objection to it. We are prepared to proceed. Thank you very much. For us, we are prepared for hearing. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The other day we were raising this question of perhaps people have been asking you if you think that there's going to be, these issues are going to be determined before the inauguration. I believe that, people have been asking you that. Can you respond to that?
We are focused on our petition. Thank you very much.
Once we see what we want, we will let everybody know, including you, the media. Because the bottom line of the presidential election is the beavers. That's why we want to see it. So once we see it and we are satisfied, we will make it known to the court. Well, they've given their reasons. The court says it's a policy matter. We are not part of the policy-making apparatus of the court, or any court for that matter. We are a counsel, and our duty is to bring whatever request we have to the court. If they agree, we say as the court pleases. If they disagree, we still say as the court pleases. So that's the position. They have disagreed, and we are moving on. Thank you.
Let me address the 7-week issue.
Yes, please.
Every time we come to the court, the INEC would say they are giving you notice, just like they have said, and then you would say you have not received. Where to please give us?
What the situation is simply that there are numerous documents and they're supplying them piecemeal. So it's not something I can stand here. In Rivers State, for instance, let me just give you one example. There are 23 local governments. They've given us from EC8A. In respect of 15, we still have 8 outstanding. And you can't make a conclusion based on 15 of 23. So that's what the quarrel, let me call it quarrel, that's what it is about. Any day we receive everything we're asking for, we will let you know. Holding back. We're not holding back. We cited an authority. It's a decision of this court. If you listen to the arguments, contentions, and so on, some people think it's mandatory. The decision we have submitted says it's discretionary. So that's if there is a decision of the court indicating that whether or not to consolidate is discretionary, then either way we'll be satisfied. Thank you.
Any other thing? Thank you very much.
Okay. On Lifa Day, I greet you.